Hi students, today I am going to be showing you how we can use these counters that you see in your assignments to both add and subtract. So let's look at the first problem. It is 7 plus 2. Okay, my first step is to put down 7 counters. So I'm going to go ahead and drag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 counters in this box. I know I need to add 2 more. So I'm going to go ahead and drag 2 more counters to add. So 1, 2. My answer now is going to be all of these counters added together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is going to be 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. All right, let's try 7 minus 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring these counters back. Okay. Let's take a look. Now we have 7 minus 2 equals. So let's go ahead and start off by putting down 7 counters in the box. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now I know that I have a minus sign. A minus sign tells me to do what? Yes, a minus sign tells me I need to take away. So I am going to go ahead and take away 2 of the counters. So 1, 2. So let's go ahead and count to see how many counters are left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 would be my answer. 7 minus 2 equals 5. So that is how you use counters to both add and subtract.